Alright, let's start with Ielts speaking part 2. Describe a person who likes to grow plants. Please, over to you.
I know many people who likes to grow plants
Who
very
like
much,
to.
who like to grow plants very much. But today I'm going to talking about my own mother. She is the only person whom I know very much, and she likes to grow plants from her childhood because it's very stress relieving for her, and she feels very lighten up whenever her mood is down. So she likes to grow plants more oftenly, and she likes different kinds of plants like flowering plants and some vegetable plants, because she thinks that vegetables which are grown by herself are more healthy and more tasteful than other vegetables which we bought from stores.
That's it?
That's it.
Alright, which we buy from stores, not bought. Okay, overall it's good, but you're using extremely limited vocabulary and limited sentence structure, and there is repetition of same words in your answer. As you started, you said, I'm going to talking about. Talking
I'm going
about,
to.
after two, we don't use talking about. After two, we say to talk about. Then you said she likes growing plants from her childhood. It should not be she likes. She has always liked growing the plants since her childhood. That's the right one, okay? And oftenly is not right. It should be often. Thank you so much. Jazakallah. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Good job. All right. Next, you said we. Yeah. So these type of mistakes are common. Let's try to overcome them and try to use a variety of words. The topic is plants, grow, and person. So as many words as you know, try to use them and connect your ideas together and be familiar with all the topics. Anyways, it wasn't that bad, but I want you to score a very good bench score. For that, you need to do all these improvements. Now we move on to part 3. What kind of plants do people like to grow in their homes?
Mostly, I think people likes to grow flowering plants
Hmm?
and vegetable plants because as Pakistan is agriculture economy, so I think it's very important to increase economy, and many people's like to grow different kinds of vegetables, as I already told you, because it's very healthy
All
and
right,
tasteful.
you need to focus your pronunciation as well. Healthy is not the right word. The word is healthy, and the word is economy. Economic, economy, like that. So please focus your pronunciation and practice all these topics. You will be fine. You have the potential, by the way, okay? You can do it. Thank you.